5 myths that's holding you back from achieving your home ownership dream, and let's debunk them together. Number 1, the myth 1. Renting is cheaper than buying a house. The truth is, owning a house can provide a long-term financial stability with a fixed mortgage. With a fixed mortgage payment, and you build equity and invest in your future. Plus, you can take advantage of tax benefit, enjoy the pride of home ownership. Myth 2. You need a perfect credit score. Lenders offer various mortgage payments for different credit profiles. And by consulting with a mortgage professional, you can explore options tailored to your situation, even if you have not the perfect credit score. Myth 3. The down payment is the biggest hurdle. Saving for down payment can seem daunting and preventing from taking the first step toward home ownership. And there are money down payment program assistance and mortgage options available that require minimal down payment. Myth 4. Home ownership ties you down. Many people fear the commitment and responsibility that comes with owning a home, and believing it restricts their flexibility. Owning a house doesn't mean sacrificing your freedom. With proper planning and consideration, you can find a home that fits your lifestyle and allows you for future growth or change. Myth 5. The home buying process is overwhelming. By working with an experienced real estate agent like myself and a mortgage professional, you can gain expert guidance through the entire process and make it smooth and hassle-free. And don't let this myth hold you back from achieving your dream of home ownership. If you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to me. Click in my bio and grab my phone number and give me a call. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace.